Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 3rd, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis. So we're here to give you all price predictions according to the charts. And today we're going to do our analysis for OmiseGo paired against the USD and Verge paired against the USD. And obviously you can tell that both of these cryptocurrencies have made substantial movement to the downside for today, and it actually may not be the end for these currencies. I will talk about that as we go into each of these cryptocurrencies. So definitely, if you all are in these two coins, definitely evaluate your own individual trading strategies. So first up is going to be OmiseGo. See that this coin is down 4.46%. Last trade was $8.23, and the daily price chart for OmiseGo definitely shows you that that stockpile that came in yesterday continues to come in today, and we're looking for the market to move back down to the downside. A lot of volume as well is being reflected on this daily price chart. The only thing that is positive for this coin is that it is staying above $8. Okay, 3-hour chart shows you again that we are literally smacking our head right there around $8.80 as resistance, and we're still getting some non-interest and higher prices at this current time. You can see here that the market tried to shoot back up towards $8.60, and a lot of stockpiles still came in the market. So again, I'm looking for OmiseGo to continue to move down lower in price. We might just literally come here to $8 and hold support and move back up towards the upside. But definitely, I'm not seeing a lot of indications of market strength. I'm looking for OmiseGo to move lower in price. 1-hour chart shows you again the same indications of lack of interest in higher prices. The market is holding for the time being support, but at the same time we're not getting a lot of indications of us wanting to move higher. So after we conclude with this consolidation, definitely looking for this movement lower in price to continue. Only thing that will allow this currency to move higher in price is if we start to see more volume with precursors of strength bars. Okay, so until that time, expect us to consolidate and move back down to the downside. That is going to be our analysis for OmiseGo. I can see it coming back up towards $8.35, but definitely I'm not seeing a lot of indications of market strength in this particular currency. Now, the last one for today is going to be Verge. So now you can see that Verge currently is down 3.67%. The last trade was around 2.5 cents, and this currency as well, literally from where it was trading when it first started trading on Binance and on Bittrex, this market made a substantial move in the beginning half of April, and now we're literally almost to zero on Verge. And the market definitely shows us that we came across a resistance area around 0.02, almost 3 cents yesterday, and there's still some lack of interest or some sellers in the space that we got to get rid of before we'll move higher for these currencies. Okay, 3-hour chart still shows you that we may be holding support around 0.026 cents, but again, we have to overcome 0.028 cents in order for us to resume to higher prices. So right now, especially, I'm looking for trying to continue to move lower in price. We are holding support only because this previous area in the background held that support, so I'm expecting us to try to do that again right here, 0.026 cents. If we can, then we will come back up towards 0.028 or even 3 cents throughout trading tomorrow. But currently looking for that consolidation. Currently we are getting some strength around that support area, so we definitely have a probability of moving higher, albeit it's not that much convenience or being convinced that the market will continue to move higher in price in in Verge at this particular time. Okay, so just keep that on your radar. We can bounce from where we are now and back up towards 0.028 or even 3 cents in trading tomorrow, but overwhelmingly there's still a lot of weakness that has to be overcome for Verge. So again, if you are interested in learning more about language analysis, or even getting this simple, easy to understand language analysis, then definitely need to become our member on our HueFin News Patreon page. Okay, there you all will have access to a multiplicity of altcoins paired against BTC, or even the USD, or whichever one you prefer. We definitely value this community that we are building, and we would like for you all to participate in it, because no one else is able to give you this type of analysis as concrete and as definitive as we are, because we definitely understand what the market is telling us through these price bars and the volume. That's why we definitely tell you whether or not we expect the market to move higher or even for the market to move lower. Everyone else gives you those probabilities. Well, it could or it might. Don't forget that it can go back up towards, but if it happens, then this move, if we feel confident in the direction in which the market is going to move, we would definitely let you all know. Go back and check out our previous videos that we have placed on this channel for more information. But until then, we look forward to you all coming to our HueFin News Patreon page. We are definitely building up a community that is very unique, because no one else is out here giving you this type of easy analysis. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.